Okay, fidget trading now.
Yeah.
What would you give me if I give you my most beautiful treasure?
Okay.
More, it's rare. Oh yeah, boys! What? Fine.
Look at this. Oh, the ball.
Okay, what would you give me for the most rarest thing I ever made in my whole life? It took me a long time to figure out how to make these, but
Yeah.
a squishy. Or a stress ball, I should call it. Okay, what would you give me if I give me this? I know I scammed you last time. I'm sorry, but I promise this will be fine. Okay. Now we must invent something.
Yeah.
Because I want to get more things. So I'm going to invent something like this. It may take a while, but it's going to be worth it.
More intent. Oh. She's doing something.
Okay, now we have to make something whatever. Do you have to make something with the items we got? Oh no, not make something, but I'm going to try. Okay, bye-bye. I'm going to go buy some stuff.
Me too.
Sorry guys, so this is taking a long time, but we got something to entertain you with. Oh wait, where is it? I can't find it. Uh-oh. I might lost the thing that was gonna entertain you guys. Don't worry, the video's gonna start soon.
Okay, hold on, mine.
Just keep waiting, guys. It's almost done. I know. Let's stop arguing like how they take so long. Wait, aren't we them? Yeah, we had to leave the office or whatever place we are in just to go get some stuff.
Oh no! Guys, stop arguing. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep.
Or else.
Hey, don't threaten them.
I'm not. I was joking.
Then why'd you say or else?
Sandy does that too.
Okay. Doesn't mean we have to do it. Anyways, guys, it doesn't mean this is gonna be an hour of us, or not an hour, but it's gonna be a couple of minutes of us arguing.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. You don't need to say that all of the time. Guys, make sure you subscribe and like the video.
Everybody say that, you know.
We're not like, no, I know that, but not like stop trying to threaten them and saying like these stuff. Guys, like in the video or else you will pay. Like it just scares them out.
Okay, just do your thing and just. This is gonna take so long, and I'm gonna pause it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna skip this since it's gonna take a long 4 hours years later. Okay, guys, we're back from buying stuff, right?
Yeah.
And now I bought this. What are you giving me for this? Lucky boy! It's a flute, and it's a flute, but it's like a soul flute. Look.
That's so dang loud.
I know.
What
are you giving me? Unaccepted. It scares me. Here, guys. It's gonna take a 1,000 years later. Okay, finally we're back from the store. Anyways, what will you give me for this? Oh yeah, guys, to tell this is true, these are actually not bought from the store. I made them since he or she can't make anything. He can't make anything.
Oh, shut up.
Anyways, accepted.
Thank you.
Why you give me with this amazing? But actually, fishing rod's connected to this.
This is connected to this.
So let me guess. This is a squish ball.
And what was
In the end of the video, we're gonna tell you how to make these stuff.
Oh no.
Anyway, what will you give me for?
It's nothing.
This weird extra looking thing.
And this fish eating a dice.
Oh, perfect! I always wanted that in my life. What will you give me for this soul flute?
That's so dang loud.
Okay.
That's so dang loud. I got anything for you.
You got some stuff.
Fine, I will give you this.
More. Because that was really rare, and it took me a while to make it. Accepted.
Okay. You're so loud like this. What the? That's your dang loud.
Okay, now we get to play with the fidget.
I'm up play with my fidget. Okay. What are you doing? Do not show my face. No.
My turn.
I thought I was coming.
I'm going to have to point it up because I'm going to do something with this. Hey, I need you to put your hand inside.
Okay.
Okay, put your hand in.
Okay. Look at this.
Do we have to do it all over again? Put your hand up to the middle like how you did, and you're free.
Yeah, that looks like a magic trick.
Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.